In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign your documents in Zoho Books. Whether you're running a business or just trying to streamline your workflow, knowing how to digitally sign documents can be a real game changer. So let's dive right in. First, we begin by navigating to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, click on the Sign In option. Now, if you're already familiar with Zoho's interface, this should be straightforward. If the page takes a bit longer to load, it's usually due to internet speed, so just be patient. Once you've clicked sign in, click on Google to sign in using your Google account. Next, you'll see a list of your Google accounts, or perhaps just one. If you only have one link to Zoho, go ahead and choose the account you wish to proceed with. After you're signed in, it's time to head over to the Sales tab. You can find this within the main navigation links. Click on Sales and from there head over to Invoices. If you're following along, we're almost halfway through the process. Now, it's time to create a new invoice, which is crucial for adding a signature. Click on the Create an Invoice button. Here you'll be prompted to fill in the customer details. Make sure you add the correct customer name to avoid any confusion later on. Once that's done, the next step is to input the details of the items or services you're dealing with. Be thorough here because accurate details are essential for both your records and the customer's clarity. After you've added all the necessary information, go ahead and click on Save and Send. This action prepares your invoice for the next step. Now we move to the critical step of digitally signing your invoice. Click on the Sign Invoice option. But if you haven't already set up the digital signing feature, here's what you need to do. Go to Settings in Zoho Books, then select Integrations and Marketplace and click on Zoho Apps. This will guide you to connect with Zoho Sign, which is Zoho's dedicated e-signature integration. If you don't yet have a Zoho Sign account, now's the perfect time to set one up. With Zoho Sign ready, create your digital signature. Once your signature is created, it will be available to use in Zoho Books. Now head back to your invoice and click on Enable Signature. You're almost at the finish line. Click on Sign and Proceed. This will apply your signature to the invoice, making it ready for the final step. Finally, click on Send. This will send your now digitally signed invoice to the intended recipient. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to digitally sign documents in Zoho Books, making your document management just a little bit easier and way more digital.